Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply sign in on Dogecoin Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Dogecoin app on your phone. Once you've created yourself a wallet, this is how it's gonna appear. Now for the signing purpose, you simply have to tap on this little profile icon given on top left corner, and then you're gonna see the sign in right away. Tap on sign in, again tap on sign in, and now add in your number of which you would like to create your account with. Once you're done, tap on send verification and wait till you get the verification on it. Once you've got the number, simply paste it, tap on confirm code, and add in your username. Once you have got the available username, tap on continue, tap on let's go. You can edit your profile, you can social connect, anything that you would like. Once you're done, tap on back. Right, you can simply choose to simply edit it. Once you're done, tap on save changes, or you can simply choose to go back, and that way you will be able to simply sign in as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.